Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome back to our teacher series where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a group message, which is one of our Anton Plus features. This feature can be helpful for sending deadline reminders, notes of motivation, mini lesson summaries, links to resources, daily brain teasers, assignment updates, or clarifications, or any other information you would like to share with your students. To send a group message, first, navigate to the Groups tab. If you have multiple groups, then navigate to the top left corner and select Switch Group, and select which group you would like to send a message to. Once you've selected your desired group, you will then select Settings in the top right corner. From there, click on Group Message. Here, you can write a message that will be visible to your students from the Content tab. I will go ahead and remind my students about the upcoming science exercises due date. When you've finished writing your message, select Save. Now, let's take a look at how your message will appear on one of your students' accounts. From Elijah's account, I will navigate to the group home screen, and voila! The message that I just wrote appears in the content overview like this. Elijah can now clearly see the reminder that the science exercises are due on Thursday. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!